Help me find the issue here. Okay, so I have power going to the bathroom here, being appropriated to all the right lights. Backlights work fine, have zones. This is fine, closes on and off, no problem. This zone here is weird because essentially this is all wired together, but this light doesn't want to work. It's wired correctly. So what's going on? And then when I flip the switch off, click, it turns on. And the two other lights are on, but diminished. So now I've disconnected the problematic light, which, caveat here, I've switched this light a few times. I've switched the box. It's not the box, it's not the light. It's something I'm messing up with the wiring. Now lights are on again, power is going through. Switch it off, the lights behave normally. They turn off. They're not dimmed or anything. So I have no idea what's going on. Please help.